Alright, so last time I took the front axle out of the WJ in order to install some Iron Rock inner axle sleeves into the axle. This is just one of the ways you can increase the strength of the front axle, because the Dana 30 is not known to be a very strong axle, and so I just want to try and beef it up a little bit as much as I can because it's what I have to work with right now. So before I can install the axle sleeves though, I need to get the axle cleaned up and ready for welding. Now the axle's all cleaned up, we can start installing the sleeves. So the instructions from Iron Rock say to drill 3 holes in the long side of the tube, front and rear, and 1 hole in the short tube, front and rear. And so what you're going to do is these holes get drilled out, then you slide the sleeves in and you're going to plug weld it, which will create a strong bond all along the length of the tube. Oops. Alright, so now it's time to put the sleeves in. Sleeves just slide right inside the axle tubes. You can slide them most of the way in by hand and then, just kind of tap them in the rest of the way. I'm going to use probably a block of wood and a hammer to get them tapped in, so I'm not tapping right on the end of the tubes. Alright, let me see if I can get you a good shot here so you can see what the end of this looks like. And so there you go. You can see it's kind of right up to the end of the inner C there. It's flush with it, not sticking out. Now it's time to start welding this thing in. So I've never welded much of anything before now except for scraps of metal on the bench. So we'll see how this goes. Should be fun.